Going through the sad times and the hard times that has allowed me to have the empathy that I have. Now I can relate, Minister Ward. I can relate, Pastor Ursula, when somebody goes without. When there's not enough Pampers to go around. When there's not enough milk in the refrigerator. When you gotta pray that you have enough fumes in your car to get to work and from work and to make it to payday. Am I talking to somebody in here this morning? Oh! You can't help what family you're born into. Lord knows I wish that sometimes I was born into a rich family. But I can't help where I've been, Elder Alvin. And I wouldn't trade my mother and father for the world. Even though sometimes when I was a child and got spankings, what child doesn't wish to say that I wish I was born into another family? But I'm so thankful that God doesn't listen to those type of prayers. He knows what's good for me, and He knows what's good for you. You can't help where you were born. You can't control your height. Because if I could control my height, I'd have been 6'5", 210 pounds, with a head full of hair with locks, green eyes, and bow-legged child. But I can't help with what I got. I gotta work with what I have. Does anybody feel like they gotta work with what you got? Baby, you gotta work with what you got. You gotta work and you gotta work to work. You gotta work it. You can't even help your blood type. There's somebody who's out there this morning to say that I wish that my blood type was one of those common blood types so that I can receive a kidney, so that I can receive a heart transplant. Somebody wish that they had a common blood type. But you don't. You can't help it. And life sometimes pushes you. Even sometimes seems to be like a bully. It pushes us and forces us until we stumble into adulthood. Whenever I was a child, I played, and things didn't seem to be so serious. Because I knew that my mother and my father, because I believed that when I was a child that my mother and my father would take care of everything for me. But when I became a child, when I became an adult and a man, I had to put away childish things. It's no longer just lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. It's devil, the Lord rebuke you. Get on out of here and get off my family. It's get up in the morning when I don't feel like it.